It was about 7:30, and what it was
not an alien invasion, not any kind of extraterrestrial being. It's actually a
streak of light in the sky last night.
From Vandenberg Space Force Base, did you see it?
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's lift off of Alpha Flight 3 on its mission Victus Nox.
literally a rocket.
That's a rocket! I think maybe it's a rocket.
Vehicle is supersonic. XQ. Stage separation. Lightning engine power nominal. Bearing separation confirmed.